Namaste, traders. Welcome back to Ajayastro Money Guru, your one-stop destination for the latest updates and advanced analysis on various commodities. Today, on the 6th of May 2024, we are diving into the world of wheat futures, specifically focusing on recent developments on the Chicago Board of Trade, CBOT. CBOT wheat futures took a slight dip on Monday, shedding more than 1% of its value. This decline comes after a period of notable gains, sparked by concerns over dry weather impacting wheat production in Russia, one of the world's leading exporters. The most active wheat contract on the CBOT fell by 1.5%, settling at $6.13 a bushel. However, let's not forget the broader context here. Throughout April, CBOT wheat experienced a significant surge, boasting an impressive 8% increase. So, what's been driving this rollercoaster ride in the wheat market? Well, one major factor has been the ongoing worries surrounding crop losses in Russia. In fact, Russia's IKAR Agricultural Consultancy recently revised down its forecasts for the country's wheat crop and exports. According to IKAR, Russia's wheat crop is now projected to reach 91 million tons, down from the initial estimate of 93 million tons. Similarly, wheat export forecasts have been adjusted to 50.5 million tons from the previous 52 million tons. But it's not just weather and crop forecasts influencing the wheat market. The latest data from the Commodity Futures Trading Commission reveals interesting insights. Non-commercial traders, including hedge funds, have been adjusting their positions in CBOT wheat futures. In their weekly Commitments of Traders report, non-commercial traders were observed trimming their net short position in CBOT wheat. This move suggests a shift in sentiment among speculative traders, potentially impacting future price movements. As always, stay tuned to Ajayastro Money Guru for more in-depth analysis and real-time updates on commodities. Remember, in the world of trading, knowledge is power. Until next time, happy trading.